This is Legal Talk, brought to you by the Cochran Firm and News 4.
Hello and welcome to Legal Talk. I'm Ryan Wagstaff and I'm here with Joe Lane from the Cochran Firm. So a friend of mine bought a drone the other day and wants to use it to take aerial shots of his church for a promotional video to post on the internet. What are the rules for that?
The federal government regulates the use of drones now. There's been a lot of changes in the regulations over the last few years, but they do regulate that for any drone under 55 pounds. There's a licensing requirement. You have to take a test to get the license, and then you have to follow all of the rules and regulations with regards to Part 107 of 14 CFR, the Code of Federal Regulations. That also involves registering the drone for that use. There's an exception to that, and that is for use of the drone for purely recreational purposes. What is purely recreational purposes? That is, it's easy to say what isn't. What isn't is taking a picture of your house for purposes of trying to sell it, taking video of your football game for use on the school website, and it also is a situation we're talking about. You cannot use it for purposes of taking a picture of your church or video for purposes of a church website or promotional video. You would have to follow that licensing requirement if you do that. It's very important that you do not violate that rule. If it's used for purely recreational purposes, you can still use the drone, but you can't use it for that purpose. And if you do, you'll be caught and prosecuted.
Thank you, Joe. For any more legal questions, please feel free to call the Cochran Firm at 673-1555.
Thank you for watching this edition of Legal Talk.